Hi AOS, Chef Zena here. Today we're making our chocolate coconut bars, also known as dream bars, and this was a request by Mrs. Palmer, who's part of our kindergarten team. For today's recipe, you will need 1/3 of a cup of unsalted butter, 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1 3/4 cup of chocolate chips, 1 1/3 cup of shredded dried coconut, and 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and cooking spray. For tools, you will need a rubber spatula, a cutting board, a knife, a mixing bowl, a 9x13 baking dish, a microwavable container and lid, and parchment paper. Heat your oven to 350 degrees. Spray your pan with pan spray. I like to use parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, it's completely okay to not use it. Cut your butter and place it in a microwavable safe container. Cover it and microwave until melted. In your mixing bowl, combine your butter and your graham cracker crumbs and mix them until well combined. Place your crumbs into your pan and spread them out evenly and press them into the bottom of your pan. Now that the crumbs are in the bottom of your pan, you want to sprinkle your chocolate chips into your pan, making sure that they're evenly distributed. Now that the chocolate chips are in your pan, you want to take your coconut and you want to spread that over top of your chocolate chip layer, making sure that your coconut is evenly distributed in your pan. Pour your condensed milk over your chocolate chip coconut layer. I like to start on the edge of the pan and then work my way to the middle, making sure that your pan is completely covered with the milk. Place in your 350-degree oven and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. I'll see you in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, you want to check the baking process. You want to bake until your edges are golden brown. Mine's done. Remove your pan from the oven and allow it to cool for 30 minutes. I'm going to take my cutting board and place it over top of my pan of cooled bars, and I'm going to flip it over. And then I remove the parchment paper, and then I take my bars and I flip those over, and then they are ready for me to now cut. I cut these bars 8x4 for a total of 32 pieces. Hi everyone, here's our chocolate chip coconut bars. They have graham cracker crumbs which contain honey, and I have a honey allergy so I can't eat these, but I'm sure they're delicious. I'm going to share them with my neighbors. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time.